Introducing the Snapware Snap-in Stack Portable Storage Carrier with Lid for Desserts, the ultimate solution for transporting your sweet treats safely and conveniently. With its stackable trays and customizable storage options, this carrier is perfect for any occasion. Featuring 2 cupcake holders, this carrier can accommodate up to 24 cupcakes or cookies, ensuring that your desserts stay secure during transportation. The stackable trays also keep your food items separate and organized, preventing any mess or damage. One of the special features of this carrier is that it is alcohol-free, making it suitable for all types of desserts. Whether you're storing sweets for the whole week or planning on entertaining a crowd, the Snapware dessert carrier offers flexibility with its customizable storage. You can easily add or remove trays to suit your needs. Safety is a top priority with this Snapware carrier. The container and lid are made from BPA-Free, polypropylene material, ensuring that no harmful toxins seep into your food. Additionally, they are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, lid top rack only. The carrier is designed to be stain and blistering resistant, but it is recommended to avoid overheating high-fat foods, sugar, oils, and tomato sauce to maintain its quality. To ensure peace of mind, this product comes with a limited warranty. Made in the USA, Snapware is a trusted brand known for its locking and latching lids. They make organizing clutter effortless and enjoyable. Who says organization has to be boring? Add a splash of color and fun with Snapware. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before purchasing. In summary, the Snapware Snap-in Stack Portable Storage Carrier with Lid for Desserts is your go-to solution for storing and transporting your delicious treats. With its customizable storage options, non-toxic materials, and trusted brand reputation, this carrier ensures that your desserts arrive safely and in style. Get yours today and make your desserts shine. Product information. Product dimensions: 14.5 by 10.25 by 7.5 inches. Item weight: 1.1 pounds. Manufacturer: World Kitchen, PA, ASIN B00416XIQ2. Country of origin: USA. Item model number: 6032. Customer reviews: 4.5 out of 5 stars, 2,975 ratings. Best sellers rank: number 8,397 in kitchen and dining, number 8 in cupcake carriers. Discontinued by manufacturer. No date. First available August 28, 2010. Capacity: 1 liter, 1.1 milliliters. Item weight: 1.1 pounds. Units: 1 count. Number of sets: 1.